In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Google Calendar to Notion. This integration is fantastic for those who want to seamlessly view their events within a Notion page, allowing you to stay organized and efficient. To begin, you'll want to have both Google Calendar and Notion open in your browser so you can easily switch between them. First, let's navigate to Google Calendar. Once you're in, focus your attention on the left sidebar where you will see a section called My Calendars. Here you'll find a list of your calendars. Hover over the calendar you're planning to link with Notion. As you hover, you'll notice 3 vertical dots appear, an icon that indicates more options. Click on those dots, and from the drop-down menu, select Settings and Sharing. This is your gateway to control how your calendar integrates with other platforms. As the settings page opens, scroll through the options until you find Access Permissions for Events. Now this part is crucial. Look for the option to make your calendar available to the public. This is necessary. Enabling this setting generates a link that you can embed elsewhere. Ensure that the Make Available to Public option is toggled on. Remember, this step is essential for you to obtain a workable URL or embed code. Continuing down the settings page, you'll come to another section titled Integrate Calendar. Here is where you should focus your attention next. In this section, you're provided with either a public URL or an embed code. You can choose either, but copying the public URL is often simpler. Select and copy the link to have it ready for the next steps. Now let's switch over to Notion. Once you're in Notion, open the page where you want to display your calendar. With the page open, you'll want to integrate the calendar you've just copied. Start by typing embed into the Notion page. After typing, paste the public URL you obtained from Google Calendar. Once pasted, you'll see the option to Create Embed. This step finalizes the process, and your calendar will now be displayed directly within your Notion page. When you bring up your Google Calendar inside Notion, you should be aware that it is a read-only view. This setup is great for referencing your schedule at a glance, but you won't be able to edit events directly from Notion. Any modifications to your calendar will still need to be done through Google Calendar itself. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to keep your scheduling information centralized with Notion. Hopefully, this integration will make your planning more effortless and visually organized. Thank you for following along, and I hope you find this connection as useful as it is powerful.